हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय टुडेस वीडियो। सो आज मैं आपसे कराने वाला हूँ सैम्पल 10th साइंस टर्म 2 पेपर, यानी है ये सैम्पल पेपर है 10th क्लास का साइंस टर्म 2 के पेपर्स के लिए। सो ये सीबीएसई और पीएससी भी दोनों के लिए ही है। टाइम है इसके लिए 2 आवर्स और टोटल मार्क्स है 40। सबसे पहले सेक्शन 1। सो 5 क्वेश्चन ईच कैरी 2 मार्क्स। सो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन लिखे हुए हैं, मैंने नीचे इनको सॉल्व भी किया हुआ है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पीएच इन आवर लाइफ। सो इसका आंसर है पीएच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। इन द स्टमक हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज सेक्रेटेड एज फूड एंटर्स द स्टमक। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिड एंड बेस। गिव वन एग्जाम्पल। The reaction between an acid and a base which leads to the formation of salt and water is called a neutralization reaction. Example आप देख सकते हैं, an example of neutralization reaction is, so वो यहाँ पर दी हुई है। Third question, what is the common name of ethanol? Write its formula. Ethanol, also called ethyl alcohol or alcohol, a member of a class of organic compounds that are given the general name alcohols. Its molecular formula is C2H5OH01. Fourth question, state 2 ways to prevent the rusting of iron. So इसका आंसर है coating the iron surface with oil, grease or paint. Second, depositing a layer of zinc on the iron surface. This process is called galvanization. Fifth question, what happens at the synapse between two neurons. Synapse is the gap between the two neurons. At synapse, the electrical signals are converted into chemicals that can easily cross over the gap and pass on to the next neurons, where it again converts into electrical signals. So अब ये है section 2. 6 questions each carry 3 marks. First question, why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? So देखो, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने रीड कर दिया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो इसका आंसर है एसिड्स हैव एन एसिडिक बिहेवियर ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस. Since hydrogen ions can only be formed in the presence of water, water is required for JKl acids to exhibit acidic behavior. So अब आगे सेकंड क्वेश्चन, what is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application? So इसका आंसर है addition of hydrogen to an unsaturated carbon compound is called hydrogenation reaction. In industry, hydrogenation reaction is used for preparing vegetable ghee from vegetable oils. तीसरा यानी थर्ड क्वेश्चन, what is the role of saliva? What is the name of enzyme present in saliva? So इसका आंसर है saliva contains special enzymes that help digest the starches in your food. An enzyme called amylase break down starches, complex carbohydrates जो होते हैं starch, into sugars which your body can more easily absorb. Saliva also contains an enzyme called linguolipase which break down fat. Fourth question, what is geotropism? Name the parts of positive and negative geotropism of plant. Geotropism is the movement of or growth of plant parts in response to force of gravity. Roots are positive and stem is negative geotropism of plant. आगे ये है सेक्शन 3 जिसमें 3 क्वेश्चंस है। इन टोटल 3 क्वेश्चन है जिनमें चॉइसेस दी गई हैं। हर एक क्वेश्चन कैरी करता है 4 मार्क्स। सो देखो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उसके 2 चॉइसेस है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन है उसके 2 चॉइसेस है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन वो उसके 2 पार्ट्स है, वो तो आपको वैसे ही करने पड़ेंगे। सो मैं सभी क्वेश्चन जितने भी यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहे हैं, चाहे वो चॉइस वाले हो चाहे वो बिना चॉइस वाले, सभी कर दिखाऊंगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन ऑन द लाइनिंग ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, राइट इट्स फंक्शन। सो देखो, नंबरिंग में गलती हो सकती है, मैंने जैसे नंबरिंग में अलग अलग नंबरिंग लिखी हुई है। सो Villi are small finger-like projections present along the walls of the small intestine. They increase the surface area of the small intestine and help in absorption of nutrients from the digested food. Second question, what is the importance of platelets in blood? Platelets play a major role in blood clotting. Normally when one of your blood vessels is injured, you start to bleed, your platelets will clot, जिसको कि ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हैं clump together to plug the hole in the blood vessel and stop the bleeding. Third question, difference between autotrophics and heterotrophics. So इसका आंसर है autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophs are organisms that prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis, whereas heterotrophs are organisms that cannot prepare their own food and depend upon autotrophs for nutrition. Fourth question, what are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? So इसका आंसर है aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water are the end products of aerobic respiration, while alcohol is the end product of anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration releases more energy than anaerobic respiration. Fifth question, difference between metal and non-metal on the basis of their chemical properties. Metals react with oxygen to form basic oxides. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxides. Non-metals do not react with water. Metals react with dilute acids to form metal salts, and they displace hydrogen from acids. Sixth question, what is an ionic compound? Why ionic compound conduct electricity in aqueous solution, molten form only? Ionic compounds conduct electricity when molten or in aqueous solution because their ions are free to move from place to place. Ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity when solid, as their ions are held in fixed positions and cannot be moved. Seventh question, what is the importance of variation? So ये हमारा question seventh. Variations in species help them to adapt themselves to that particular environment and give them a chance of survival. For example, thermophilic bacteria and variants that are resistant to extreme temperature. So अब ये हमारा last question है, what is vegetative propagation? So इसका आंसर है vegetative propagation is an asexual method of plant reproduction that occurs in its leaves, roots and stem. This can occur through fragmentation and regeneration of specific वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. सो आज की वीडियो इतना ही. मैं आपसे मिलूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. इस वीडियो को पूरी देखने के लिए धन्यवाद.